Hello students, come to the class number 21. Class 21. See, in the previous class we have proved one of the important theorem, that is cos of x plus y is equal to cos x into cos y minus of sin x into sin of y. Important theorem for the point of examination, very important for the point of examination. Now see the student, let us will prove using this result. The remaining results we have already taken in the last class. Let us see. So it is x plus y. You may expound in terms of a plus b also. Cos a into cos b. If the angles are a and b, sum of the two angles. Cos a into cos b minus sin a into sin of b are supposed to be cos of alpha plus beta, cos alpha into cos beta minus sin alpha into sin of beta, cos alpha into cos beta minus of sin alpha into sin beta. So in the previous class we have discussed cos of x plus y, cos of x minus y, sin of x plus y and sin of x minus y. Let us will write once again these four formulas, students. It is in terms of x and y, in terms of a and b, in terms of alpha plus beta, alpha and beta. So you may take any values p and q. So you may prove the cos of x plus y. See, this is for the point of examination. This result is very important for 6 marks, students here. So this is for 6 marks, very important for the point of examination. So we have taken a unit circle that separate x angle, y angle, then it becomes x plus of y, then minus of y angle. We have taken here, we have constructed and we have proved in the previous class. Now let us see here. So let us will once again write these four formulas here. This is the first formula we have proved. Cos x plus y, in terms of x and y I will take the students here, or you may take a and b also. Cos x plus y equal to cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin of y. Cos x plus y is equal to cos x into cos y minus of sin x into sin of y. We will go for the second result. We know that we will prove x minus of y. We know that cos x plus y is equal to this above result we have proved. Here we are taking that above result. Cos x into cos y minus of sin x into sin of y. Replace y by minus y. Already we have taken. This becomes cos of x plus wherever y is there minus of y into cos of x, cos of minus y minus sin x y by minus of y, cos of x plus minus cos of x minus y is equal to cos x into, what is cos of minus theta? Here we have taken in the previous classes. Cos of minus theta becomes plus cos theta, sin of minus theta becomes minus of sin theta. So cos of minus y plus cos y minus sin x into, what is sin of minus y? Minus of sin y. So therefore cos x minus y is equal to cos x into cos y. This minus of minus plus sin x into sin of y. This is the second result. Student here. Remember how to remember both the formulas. This is sum formula and this is a difference formula. Sum cos x plus y, cos x into cos y minus of sin x into sin y. Sum formula. Difference formula cos of x minus y, cos x into cos y plus sin x into sin y. See the difference here. Compare the difference between these two formulas here. You try to remember that difference and you will remember the formula here. That what is the difference here? Here when you have a sum, here it is minus. When you have a difference, plus it is. Opposite sign. Remember the students here. Cos x plus y is equal to cos x into cos y minus of sin x into sin y. Cos x minus y, cos x into cos y plus of sin x into sin y. Opposite sign. Try to remember the students here. Opposite sign. Now we will go for the using this result. We will prove the sin of x plus y formula. Sin of x plus y formula. Clear the students here? How to remember this one? When sum, it is difference. When difference, it is sum. Remember, when plus formula, it becomes a minus here. When minus, it becomes the plus. Cos x, cos y, so plus sin x, sin y. Here cos x, cos y, minus of sin x into sin of y. Now, this is what? The sum and difference formula here. Now, come to the third one. Third, we know that, see, we will prove for the sin of x plus y formula. Sin of x plus y formula. Here I will write some formulas here. Yesterday also we have taken. Sin of pi by 2 minus theta cos theta. Cos of pi by 2 minus of theta sin theta it is. You know, in the allied angles we have studied. Shall I write sin x plus y as a, in terms of cos, pi by 2 minus of x plus y. Is it possible to write the students? Sin pi by 2 minus theta in terms of cos here I have taken. Sin pi by 2 minus theta is equal to cos. See this result the students here. So as we have studied in the allied angles, sin x plus y I have written in terms of cos because we have a cos x plus y formula and cos x minus y formula. Just we have proved this one first formula and we have deduced this second one. So I have converted like that, students here. Now see, shall I write this as a pi by 2 minus x? Shall I arrange like that? Minus of y. Clear all of you? Pi by 2 minus x and minus of y. Already I have discussed in the previous class also. Let us think this is x, this is y. Pi by 2 minus x has a whole angle. And this is y here. Now expanding according to this, students, sin of x plus y is equal to, say, shall I expand here? Cos pi by 2 minus x into cos y. Cos x into cos y. What is x? Pi by 2 minus. When minus, plus it is. Sin x, what is x? Pi by 2 minus x. Pi by 2 minus x into sin of y. Cos x into cos y plus sin x into sin y. Cos x into cos y, sin x into sin of y. So sin of x plus y is equal to, this is also sin of x plus y is equal to, see the students here, what is cos pi by 2 minus theta, sin theta? Is it a sin x? It is. It becomes sin x into cos y plus, what is cos pi by 2 minus theta? Sin pi by 2 minus theta, cos theta. Cos pi by 2 minus theta, sin theta. So this is cos x into sin y. See the students what it becomes. Therefore, sin x plus y is equal to, sin of x plus y is equal to sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. Whereas in the formula of cos x plus y, both the terms cos and sin terms like that here. But here what? One sin term, one cos term. Sin x cos y, cos x sin y. sin x cos y, cos x sin y. See, in terms of a and b, students, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, cos a sin b. In terms of a and b it is, in terms of a and b it is. So this is the sin of x plus y, students. This is the sin of x plus y. Then we will go for the a minus b. It is a difference formula, x minus y, a minus b, difference formula here, difference formula. The fourth one, we know that, just we have proved, we know that sin of x plus y, what you have proved, the students here, sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin of y. We have proved this one here. We have proved sin x using that cos of x plus y formula. Now we will make using this sum, we will go for the difference. We will go for the difference formula. Replace y by minus of y, replacing y by minus of y. You will get minus difference formula, sin of x y by minus y is equal to sin x y as a minus y as a minus of y plus cos x y as a minus of y, replacing y by minus y as a minus of y, replacing y by minus of y. So therefore sin of x plus minus sin of x minus y is equal to sin x into, what is cos of minus theta plus cos theta? So this becomes cos of y plus of cos of y plus cos x into, what is sin of minus y? What is sin of minus theta? Minus sin theta. This is minus of sin y. This is minus of sin y. So therefore sin of x minus y is equal to sin x into cos y plus minus cos x into sin y. See the students here, you compare these two formulas, sum and difference formula, when it is sum also. But whereas in the cos, difference it is. When cos x plus y, cos x cos y, minus of sin x sin y. Opposite sign. But here same sign for the sin sum and sin difference. When minus, when plus. Remember the students here, sin x plus y, sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, sin x minus y, sin x into cos y minus of cos x into sin y. So this is the difference here, when plus and minus of, when minus it is. So this is about the sin x minus y, students. This is about the sin of x minus y. This is about the sin of x minus y and sin of x plus y. Now we will go for tan of x plus y. Tan of x plus y formula. We will go for the tan of x plus y formula, students. You know very well. Just we have proved, I will write all the four formulas here, students. What we have proved? Cos x plus y. This one we have proved geometrically. Cos x plus y. Using this, we have deduced the three formulas. The difference of cos and sum and difference of sin. Cos of x minus y, cos x cos y, minus sin x into sin y, sin of x plus y, sin x into cos y, plus cos x into sin y. Sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y, sin of x minus y, sin x into cos y minus cos x into sin y. Just we have proved these three results using this result here. Geometrically we have proved this first one, the remaining we have taken using this cos of x plus y, this sum formula here. Now let us see all the formulas here, we will deduce using these formulas here, the students here. Now we will go for the fifth one, tan of x plus y formula. Students, you know very well tan theta is a sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta is a sin theta by cos theta. Shall I write? We know that tan of x plus y is equal to sin of x plus y divided by cos of x plus y. We know that tan of x plus y is equal to sin of x plus y divided by cos of x plus y, because tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. So therefore tan of x plus y is equal to sin of x plus y. You know the formula of sin of x plus y. Sin sum and cos sum. You substitute sin x cos y plus cos x sin y divided by cos sum cos x cos y minus sin x into sin of y. Sin of x plus y divided by cos of x plus y. You have substituted the formula of sin x plus y and cos of x plus y formula. Now see, here what to do? Dividing both numerator and denominator by cos x into cos y. Cos x into cos y. Dividing both numerator and denominator by cos x into cos y. Divide both the sides here, numerator and denominator side here. RHS sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y divided by cos x cos y whole divided by cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y divided by cos x into cos y. See the students here, what we have done here, both numerator and denominator, here we have divided cos x into cos y to prove that result, to get that tan of x plus y theorem here. Now separately dividing, so if you divide both, it remains same, this cos x and cos x cos y, cos x cos y get cancelled here, it remains same, the above result here. So now separately dividing, tan of x plus y is equal to, separately dividing here, separately dividing tan x plus y is equal to, separate dividing sin x into cos y divided by cos x cos y plus cos x into sin y dividing by cos x cos y. Denominator also separately dividing cos x cos y, cos x cos y minus sin x into sin y divided by cos x into cos y, separately divided, separately dividing here. Now let us simplify that. Therefore tan of x plus y is equal to, tan of x plus y is equal to, see the students here, this cos y get cancelled, what remain? Sin x by cos x. What is sin x by cos x? Tan x. Here you have to prove in terms of tan. Cos x and cos x get cancelled here. Sin y by cos y, tan y. Tan y, denominator. Cos x cos y get cancelled. Cos x cos y get cancelled, minus of 1 remains here because get cancelled here. The next, sin x by cos x, tan x. Sin x by cos x, tan x. Sin y by cos y, tan y. Therefore tan of x plus y is equal to tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. This is the tan of x plus y. Tan sum formula is the tan of sum formula, students here. Is the tan sum formula. Tan of x plus y is equal to tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus of tan x into tan of y. Now see, in terms of A and B also you may write tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B, whatever it may be the angles, alpha and beta, tan alpha plus tan beta, tan A tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan of B, tan A into tan of B. So this is the fifth result, students, here. Tan of A plus B equal to tan A tan B, tan of A plus tan of B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan of B divided by 1 minus of tan A into tan of B. So this is the fifth result, students, here. Now let us say we will go for A minus B, tan of A minus B, tan of A minus B, that is x minus y. That is x minus y. Sixth result, let us deduce using this tan of x plus y. You will go for this difference formula also. See the sixth result here. We know that tan of x minus y. We will prove tan of x minus y using this tan of x plus y. Here I will write tan of x plus y formula. Tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. See opposite, see the numerator same sign, denominator opposite sign, you should remember like that, the students. What? Numerator same sign and in the denominator opposite sign, you should remember this formula, tan of x plus y formula in the form of numerator and denominator. In the form of numerator and denominator. Numerator is same sign, denominator is opposite sign here. Now let us will go for a difference formula using this by replace y by minus y. Replacing y by minus y. Now the formula becomes tan of y as a minus y is equal to tan of x plus what is y? Minus y. Replacing here y by minus of y divided by 1 minus this x as it is, tan of x, replacing y by minus y, replacing y by minus y. So therefore tan of x plus minus tan of x minus y is equal to tan of x plus of, what is tan of minus theta, students? What is tan of minus theta? Is it a minus of tan theta? Tan of minus theta. Tan of minus theta minus tan theta. Remember, student, except, I have repeated many times, except cos and sec, the remaining all the sign comes outside here. So it becomes negative, it is tan of minus. So this is what? Minus of tan y. Minus of tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan of minus y minus of tan y. Simplify this one. So therefore tan of x minus y is equal to tan x plus minus tan of y divided by 1 minus of minus plus tan x into tan of y. This is the difference of sum and difference of tan. Yes, this is the sum and difference of, this is the sum formula. See what is the difference in the sum and difference. You try to remember that difference. Yes, by using that difference only, what is the difference between sum and difference formula? In the numerator same sign, in the denominator opposite sign. Here what? In the numerator same sign, denominator opposite sign. Tan x minus of tan y divided by 1 plus tan of x into tan of y. So this is the sum and difference of a tan formula, students. This is what? Sum and difference of a tan formula. Then we will go for the chord formula. Chord formula, we will go for the chord formula, students. Let us see the, so seventh one, cot x. We know that, we will take like that, cot x plus y formula. Here we have to prove cot x plus y formula. Cos x plus y divided by sin of x plus y. Clear the student? Cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. Yes, cos x plus y divided by sin of x plus y. So substituting the formula, cot x plus y is equal to, what is cos x plus y? Cos x cos y minus sin x into sin y. Cos by sin, cot theta is a cos theta by sin theta, divided by sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. Sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin of y. Yes, in terms of cos, in terms of that cot, we have written as a cos by sin. Cos by sin. Now see the students, cot x plus y is equal to here. What to do? Dividing both numerator and denominator by where we have divided cos x cos y, here sin x sin y, sin x into sin y to get a cot. Where we have divided cos x cos y, here sin x sin y, dividing both numerator and denominator by cot x plus y is equal to dividing both numerator and denominator by what? Sin x into sin y. See, that is cos x cos y minus sin x into sin y, dividing both numerator and denominator by what? Sin x sin y. Sin x sin y. Sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y divided by sin x sin y, both numerator and denominator, dividing both numerator and denominator. Now separately dividing separately, you will divide separately the term. Therefore cot of x plus y is equal to, dividing separately here, cos x cos y divided by sin x sin y minus sin x sin y divided by sin x sin y, dividing both numerator and denominator by sin x into sin y. Then here sin x cos y, sin x sin y plus cos x sin y, sin x sin y, divided separately, cot of x plus y is equal to, cot of x plus of y is equal to, separately divided there. Simplify the students. Cot x plus y is equal to, see the simplification, cot x plus y is equal to, this is cos x by sin x, cot x. Here we get in terms of cot, cos y by sin y, cot y, minus of sin x sin y get cancelled, minus of 1 remain, divided by sin x get cancelled, cos y by sin y, cot y, plus sin y get cancelled, cos x by sin x, cot x remain here. So therefore cot x plus y is equal to, what you have the formula here, cot x cot y minus 1 divided by cot y plus cot x, or cot x plus cot y. You should remember all the formulas, students here. These are all formulas you should remember. Important for the point of examination, while calculating the examples, you need all these, the formula, students here. Cot of x plus y is equal to cot x cot y minus 1 divided by cot of y plus cot of x. So this is cot of, in terms, shall I write in terms of A and B here, cot A cot B minus 1 divided by cot B plus cot of A, cot B plus cot of A, or you may write cot A plus cot of B, or you may write like that also, the students here. Now using this, we will go for the difference formula of cot. Using this here, we will go for the difference formula, students. Using this formula, we will go for the difference also. Now let us see the students. Cot of x minus y formula, cot of x minus y formula, 8th one. We know that cot of x plus y, using this plus sum formula, you will go for the difference formula. What do you get? Cot x into cot y minus 1 divided by cot y plus cot of x. Just we have get this formula here. Cot of x plus y formula. Cot of x plus y is equal to cot x cot y minus 1 divided by cot y plus cot of x. Cot of y plus cot of x. Now see the replacing. We'll go for the difference formula. Replace y by minus of y. Replacing y by minus y. Using this formula, we will reduce the difference formula, cot of x minus y formula. So therefore, wherever y is there, you take minus y. Cot x, cot of minus y minus 1 divided by cot of minus y plus cot of x. Cot of x. You know the students, what is cot of minus theta? What is cot of minus theta? Is it a minus cot theta? Because except cos and sec, remaining all cos of minus cot of minus theta. Is it a plus minus cot theta or plus cot theta? Minus cot theta. Only cos. Is it a minus of cot theta? Cot of minus theta is equal to minus of cot theta. Yes, only cos of minus theta and sec of minus theta are positive. Many times I have discussed, students, except these two functions, remaining all the, it becomes what it is, remaining all are negatives here. Now let us simplify this one. Cot of plus minus minus cot x. What is cot of minus theta? Minus cot theta. This is minus of cot y minus 1 divided by cot of minus y it is plus cot of x. See the students, what it becomes? Cot of x minus y equal to cot x minus of this minus sign taking this side here, minus of cot x cot y minus 1 divided by minus cot y plus cot x. Clear the students here? Yes. See, once again I repeat this one here. Replacing y by minus y, here replace y by minus y. This is minus y. Cot x as it is. This y as a minus y, minus 1. Cot of y as a minus 1, cot of x it is. Cot x as it is. Cot of minus theta minus cot theta minus of 1 divided by cot of minus theta minus cot theta plus of cot x here. So this minus of cot x into cot y minus of 1, cot x into cot y minus of 1 divided by minus of cot y plus cot of x, plus of cot of x. Now simplify the students. Cot of x minus y is equal to, here one more step, minus sign. Shall I take minus sign, numerator minus sign outside? Cot x cot y, minus sign taken outside here. In the denominator also you can take that minus minus, you may cancel it. In the denominator also taking minus common. So this is minus, we have taken common. This plus becomes what? Minus. This plus becomes what it is? Minus here. It is minus of x. So therefore, cot of x minus y is equal to, this minus minus becomes plus. Get cancelled here. Minus of minus becomes plus here. This is what? Cot x into cot y plus 1 divided by cot y minus cot of x. See the difference is the students here. For the tan, same sign in the numerator and in the denominator opposite sign. For the cot, opposite sign in the numerator and same sign in the denominator. Like that you should remember. Same in the denominator, opposite in the numerator. Whereas tan, here I will write this tan of x plus y formula also the student. Here I will write tan of x plus y formula also. Tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan of y. Opposite Same in the numerator, opposite in the denominator means plus if it is plus minus. Here what? Say opposite in the numerator and same in the denominator. You should remember like that the students here, cot of x plus y, cot of x minus y. So here, so this is the which one? Cot of x plus y and cot of x minus y formula. Here we have reduced the formula here. Now next to come to the, so up to tan cos we have proved the formulas here using that only one formula, cos of x plus y formula. Using that cos of x plus y formula, here we have proved up to this tan and cot. Now come to the sine of 2x formula, students here, sine of 2x formula. Let us see that sine of 2x formula here. So just what here I will write whatever that what we have discussed in the today formula, students here. Cos of, before going to the sine 2x, cos x cos y minus sin x into sin y. This is cos of x plus y. Then we have proved cos of x minus y, cos x cos y plus sin x into sin y, opposite sign, for the cos opposite sign, students, for the cos opposite sign. And next sin of x plus y, for the sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y, sin x minus y, sin x into cos y minus cos x into sin y, sin of x minus y, sin of x plus y, cos of x plus y, cos of x minus y, sin of x plus y and sin of x minus y. Just we have proved tan of x plus y, tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan of y, tan x into tan of y, tan of x minus y, tan x minus tan y, same sign in the numerator, opposite sign in the denominator, 1 plus tan x into tan y, and cot x plus y is equal to cot x cot y, opposite cot y plus cot x, first y and then cot x minus of y, cot x cot y, opposite sign, plus it is first y cot y minus of cot x. Because of the denominator we have taken that minus sign, we have taken outside and get cancelled, it becomes first. So therefore here in the sum also writing y first. Sum also in the sum formula also writing the y first here. So these formulas here we have calculated in the today's class, students here. Let us will go for one more formula, sin of 2x formula. Let us see the students here, sin of 2x, how you get sin of 2x formula. See the students, 2x multiple angles, that is multiple angles, this is sum and difference angles. See the 2x multiple angles, 2x, x is any angle, 2 is multiplied, so it is a multiple angle, 3 is multiplied, 2a, 3a, 2a or 3a, a is any angle, if you multiply with the 2, this is the multiple angle here, 2a, multiple and submultiple angles, submultiple means a is any angle, half, if you submultiplication 1 by 2, these are the multiple and submultiple angles also you have to study the students here. Let us see 2x, sin of 2x, sin of 2x, that is the ninth result. So here we have to prove that, here I will take the results in the form of proofs. So otherwise let us will prove in terms of both the results here. Ninth result, sin of 2x, sin of 2x formula here we have to prove here. We know that Sin of x plus y is equal to sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin of y. We know that sin of x plus y is equal to sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. Now see the students, shall I write sin 2x is equal to, is it like that, x plus of x? Sin of x plus of x, shall I write it? Is it possible to write x plus x? So therefore, sin of 2x equal to, is it sum? Here x and y it is. You deduce the formula here. Sin x, y also x, cos x plus cos x, sin y also sin y is also x. See the terms becomes here. Sin of 2x equal to sin x cos x plus cos x sin x. Is it same the terms? Sin x cos x plus cos x sin x. Is it 2 times of sin x into cos x? Is it 2 times of sin x into cos x? So this is a sin of 2x equal to 2 sin x into cos x. 2 sin x into cos x. This is sin of 2x, students, here. Sin of 2x formula it is, you have to remember, sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x into cos x. Sin of 2x is equal to 2 sin x into cos x. Sin 2x formula, this one. So using this one, using this formula, we will prove in terms of tan also, students, here. What you know? Sin 2x equal to 2 sin x into cos x. Is it? Just you have proved this result here. What is sin 2x here? 2 sin x into cos x. Or sin 2a equal to 2 sin a into cos a. Sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a into cos a. Now let us see the students here. 2 sin x. Shall I write in the denominator? Shall I take 1 it is? What is 1? That identity. Sin 2x equal to 2 sin x into cos x. Shall I write this identity as a cos square x plus sin square x? You may write sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. That is, I have taken 1 as a cos square x plus sin square x. Dividing both numerator and denominator by cos square x. Here what? Dividing both numerator and denominator by cos square x. See the students, what it becomes? 2 sin x 2 sin x into cos x divided by what here? What you have taken? Cos square x. Divided by cos square x. So this is cos square x plus sin square x. Divided by cos square x. Divided by cos square x. Here divided both numerator and denominator by cos square x. Cos square of x. Now simplify the term, that one, both numerator and denominator. Simplify. Sin 2x equal to, see the students here, this 1 of cos get cancelled here. What remain here? Sin by the denominator 1 cos remain here. Sin x by cos x, tan x. Here we have to prove sin 2x in terms of tan. So sin x by cos x, 2 as it is, it becomes 2 tan x here. Similarly, in the denominator, cos square x get cancelled. If you divide separately, cos square get cancelled here. What remain? 1 it is, plus half. Here I am not dividing separately, you know very well. So separate dividing here, cos square x, it becomes 1. Then plus half, what it becomes? Sin square x by cos square x. What is sin square x by cos square x? So therefore, this is the sin 2x in terms of tan. Sin 2x you may write in terms of tan. This is what? Sin 2x equal to 2 sin x into 2 sin x divided by 1 plus tan square x, using this result here. So you have a 2 formula, students, here. Sin 2x, 2 sin x into cos x, and in terms of tan is what? 2 tan x divided by 1 plus of tan square x. So this is the sin 2x, students. So sin 2x. So with this today's class I conclude the students here. With this I conclude the today's class. So you go through all the formulas, students, here. Whatever the today's we have proved all the formulas using that one formula, cos of x plus y formula. So you go through the today's all the formulas, students, here. So with this I complete the today's class. So thank you, students. Thank you.